Hey, what's up everybody? This is All Out with Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the iBlason Cosmo Case series lineup for the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Now, before I get started, if you end up liking my content, please don't forget to mash that thumbs up button. Also, if you want more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so the first case that we're going to look at is the Cosmo Marble for the Galaxy S21. All right. So let's get this open real quick. All right, so as you can see here, this is two parts. So if I were to peel this back, you will see that this is a dual layer case. So you're definitely getting that extra protection or the extra layer of protection. All right. And I won't separate all the cases. I just want to show you this in case you're new to the Cosmo series. All right. All right, but you can see the camera cutout there, side buttons, bottom cutout, no buttons, and then top cutout. All right, really nice design and pretty comfortable to hold. Let's look at the next color. Next, we have Cosmo Ocean. All right, squeeze and pop this open real quick. All right. Get this out of here real quick. All right, so this is the Cosmo Ocean. Really nice. All right, let's go ahead and look at the next color. Now this is the last color for the S21, which is the Cosmo Amethyst. All right. Get this open really quick. Get all this out the way. All right. Here we go. Really nice. So now let's look at the S21 Plus cases. And this is the Cosmo Amethyst. So pretty much this one here. All right. Get this out of there real quick. Here you have it. And again, size comparison. As you can see there, it's a bit taller. All right. There you go. A bit wider as well. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the next color. And this is Ocean as well. So again, this one here. Pull this open. Get this out of there. Okay. Cosmo Ocean. All right. Let's look at this last one here, which is the marble. So this one over here. Okay. And here you have it. Oh, get this out the way as well. All right, for the S21 Plus. All right, so now let's look at the last set, which is for the S21 Ultra. First up, we have this marble. All All right, let's get this out the way. Get this popped open. All right. Here we go. I'm going to do a quick size comparison. Here you go. All right. The side view there. Bring it down just a little bit. There we go. All right. Take a look at the bottom. All right. So again, this is for the S21 Ultra. Let's take a look at the next one, which is Ocean. All right. Get this open real quick. So this is for the S21 Ultra. All right. And the last one, of course, is Cosmo Mammoth. So let's go ahead and squeeze, pop open. All right. And get this open here. There we go. And there you have it. All right. Now, if you're interested in any one of these cases, I will have a link posted in the description section. And this completes my review of the iBlason Cosmo Case series for the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.